Hey everyone! So today, I'm super excited to share some tips on how to control your vocal volume, okay? First up, let's kick things off with a quick test recording. Sound good? Once you've got that sorted, just stick with me while I break down 3 simple ways to manage how loud you speak. You ready? Let's jump right in. Just follow along with what I'm doing. It's super easy.
Sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check. 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 Sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check.